Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to stabilize your video on a Capcut application. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application, and now we just need to go click a new project and find out which video that has a shaky move. Okay, so I already have the video here. You can see on this video that this video is quite shaky. I record this while I am on my way, and the video is quite shaky. So the things you have to do to stabilize this video is that just by go click this video and then take a look on these button features. You just need to go scrolling into the left side until you found a motion blur or stabilize. You can do this, but motion blur means that your movement or your motion on this video will be blurry, so that you can minimize the motion happen on your video. Or you can also just stabilize to make this all of the record here from the shaky to more stable. So you just need to go click stabilize, and you can go decide the level that you can apply into this video. You can minimal cropping, recommended, or most stable. Since this video is quite shaky, let's go with most stable, and you just need to wait until all the process is applied into your video or your clip, and after that you just need to click done. And now let's check the result. You can see that it's less shaking compared to the previous video. That's all the way how to stabilize your video on a Capcut application. So if you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.